Okay. El día de hoy vamos a aprender los números. So today we're going to be working with the numbers. Como siempre, comenzamos con la fecha. As always, we begin with the date. In class, you would have to write down the date yourself and send it to me on the chat, but we are not in the class. This is recorded. So you just have to know that today is Tuesday. Because today is Tuesday, I would write hoy es martes. Notice that in Spanish, I do not capitalize. In English, I do. 25 de 25th of, and it's August. Así que sería agosto. Remember, we do not capitalize. Make sure you write down your date, because remember, on your test, you're gonna get questions that said, what was the objective of the class for Tuesday, August 25th? And you have to have the objective. So it doesn't matter if you speak Spanish, you still need your notes. El objetivo del día, the objective of the day. I will learn how to say and write the numbers in Spanish. Yo voy a aprender a cómo decir y hablar, escribir los números en español. You can pause this video because it's a recorded one. I'm gonna go fast, so you can pause it and copy it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Los números del 1 al 10. En realidad va a ser del 0 al 10. Comenzamos 0, 0, 1. When it comes to 1, in Spanish, nouns have two genders. They're either masculine or they are feminine. That, of course, if the noun can have genders. If I'm talking about a table cannot have genders. So it will be one form of the noun. If I'm talking about a boy, maybe chick. And I'm talking about a girl, yes, they have different genders. Remember your ending for boys, chico. Remember your ending for girl, a, chica. So in this case, uno, if I wanted to say one boy, uno would drop the O and would become un chico. Pause it, write it down. Okay, if I wanted to make it female, a girl, it would be una chica. Pause it, write it down. Dos, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, pause, and then we move to the next part. Del 11 al 20. 11, 11. And this pretty much just means 10 and 1. 10 y 1, 11. 12, 10 and 2, 12. 13, 10 and 3, 13. 14, 10 and 4. 14. 15. 10 and 5. 15. So now you notice how the 10, it's at the end, and then just says 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 5. From 16 to 20, it's going to change. Now I have 10 y 6. If I remember, 10 is 10. So now I have 10, and then I have 6. So I'm saying 10 and 6. And this I is working as an AND. 16. So this disappears, becomes 16. One word. Even though you're saying 10 and 6, they're together. 16. Pause it. 17. 10 and 7. 17. 18. 10 and 8. 18. 19. 10 and 9. 19. 20. 20. 20. Pause it. We're going to move to the next page. Del 21 al 30. From 21 to 30 is going to have the same pattern. 20 would be 20. 20. All that is going to happen, I would put them together. So instead of 21, 20 and 1, this changes to I. And becomes 21. 20 and 1. 22. 20 and 2. 22. Don't forget the accent. 23. 20 and 3. 23. 24. 20 and 4. And it's always going to follow the same pattern now. 25. 20 and 5. 25. 26. 20 and 6. 27. 20 and 7. 27. 20 and 7. 28. 20 and 8. 29. 20 and 9. 29. Y 30. So notice that everything has been one word. One word. When I move from 31 on, it changes. And here we go. Okay, teníamos 30. We saw that. Now, if I want to say any number after 30, all I'm going to have to do is add an E, which means and then the digit or the number that I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, if I wanted to say 31, I would say 31. 30 and 1. If I wanted to say 32, 32. 30 and 2. And I would keep on going the same way. That's why I have the ellipses. 33. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Pause it and copy your notes. Continúo. 40, 40. So if I wanted to say 41, I would say 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, and so on. So I'm not going to write them down. It's just the same pattern. Continúo. 50. This is the last one for the day. Same thing. If I wanted to say 59, 59, 58, 58, 57, 57, 56, 56, 55, 55, 54, 54, 53, and so on. This is where we're stopping for the day. Pause it, copy, done. Make sure you do the activities.